This is my dog, and she loves me.
Can I get an ow out?
Maya, can we get an hour?
Oh my god. Junior. This family makes me want to murder people.
Maddie, can you wish me a happy birthday? Thank you.
Kiko. No, basta.
Cyrus, the people want to know. Can we get an a whoop? Thank you.
Boys, let me get an ow out.
Maddie, I'm pretty sure TikTok ships you and Pudgy. Can I get an hour?
Can I get an hour? Hour.
People think I'm obsessed with this, but I'm okay with it. I am obsessed with it.
Baby room. You know, a lot of people ask me, after a long day of voiceover or writing or doing all those creative things that I do, how do I relax? Well, like many other Americans, I come home and I pet my dog. You see, petting your dog is one of the most relaxing things you can possibly do. It releases a hormone called oxytocin, which reduces stress. Also, it lowers your heart rate and it lowers your blood pressure.
Yeah.
Bă, tu mai mușca-o? Bă, tu m-ai mușcat?
Mandi ya? Mandi. Kok marah? Ayo mandi, Wan.
Hey, yo, Pudgy. My boy Junior here challenges you to an hour off. Yo, show him how it's done.
Let me get an hour.
Can I get an hour?
Can you give me an hour? Good job.
Sit down. Can I get an hour? Can I get an hour?
Get an hour.
Hey, yo, Maddie, I got a question for you. Do you love Pudgy? You do?
Don't be fucking rude. Are you kidding me? I swear to God, don't be fucking rude and throw the thing on me. I'll fucking hurt you. Don't do that.
Oh my God.
Millie, can I get an hour? No way. Millie, can I get an hour?